The rich mindset versus the poor mindset. This is not a case of affluent versus poor. Numerous people who are financially impoverished because of circumstances have a rich mindset. There are also a lot of trust fund kids who have negative attitudes. Rich people are aware that amassing an abundance of resources is the initial objective. Then to quicken the process by using that surplus. Develop the next generation more quickly. A person with a poor attitude instantly views a surplus as a chance for consuming. Rich people look for projects that will pay dividends long after the initial investment of time, money, and effort. Having a wealthy attitude is all about starting a flywheel. Developing force. Establishing self-sustaining value-generating systems. Poor attitude is entirely focused on the immediate rewards. Hours for dollars. Resources that are invested but don't yield a return right away are wasted. Rich people are prepared to invest money even when there seems to be no immediate return. What's in it for me? Is the first thing a poor mindset considers. Why spend money when they're not even paying you to fly to that conference, pay for the hotel, and spend all the time? Rich mindset aims to establish connections with people based on mutual respect, trust, and liking. The affluent mindset encourages giving without expecting anything in return and cultivating relationships. The "I scratch your back, you scratch mine" mentality. Rich people understand that reputation is everything and that respect and trust are painstakingly gained through bloody, hard work. Rich mindset responds with reality quickly, respectfully, and practically since they are aware that the world isn't fair. It is aware that the world owes it nothing, that the universe doesn't care about it, and that the natural outcome of life is pain and death. Every success is improbable, and as such, it should be recognized as such. Poor attitude spends time griping about the injustice in the world and is overwhelmed by it. It waits for something to be given to it because it believes the world owes it something. Rich attitude celebrates other people's accomplishments. It welcomes rivalry and frequently becomes friends with it. Poor mindset experiences resentment and jealousy over other people's achievements. Poor mindset experiences resentment and jealousy over other people's achievements. It sees the world as a zero-sum game. Rich people recognize that they can never know everything and that everyone has something to teach them. Poor attitude convinces itself that it is infallible and that other viewpoints are incorrect before even hearing them. Rich mindset recognizes its limitations and that, even if it could do everything, it would be more effective to concentrate on its core competencies. It understands that the ideal team is stronger than the individual members. Poor mindset convinces itself that it can accomplish anything if it tries hard enough. Competitive people love rivalry and understand that iron sharpens iron. Competition deters people with negative attitudes. That someone already got there first, or that they're obviously going to catch up to me, I might as well quit now, are the complaints made. Rich people strategically resign. When it recognizes that the prospective rewards of a pursuit are either beyond the reach of available resources or are not worth the discomfort of the work required, it plans to give up in advance. Pain and temporary agony make the poor mind give up. Rich attitude perseveres through difficulties as long as the goal is worthwhile. It is aware of the dip and the notion that anything worthwhile would be challenging. It recognizes that the rewards are earned by those who persevere through challenges in a pursuit since the will to persevere is in little supply. Stubbornness of poor thinking causes things to persist. It gives sunk expenses an excessive amount of weight. Rich people are aware that there is no such thing as, "I made it." No, done, challenges in learning are what give life meaning. Poor attitude thinks they'll be able to retire one day, meaning they can relax and do nothing. That all effort is really paying dues to lead a leisurely existence. Ironically, it is this thinking that stifles the energy and ambition necessary to ever reach the point where that kind of life is a viable possibility. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful